Hello viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Smart Tricks for Study. In this video, we will see important physics chapter 2 and 3, that is, electrostatic potential and capacitance, and current electricity formula for NEET and CET entrance exams. Formulas are very important. So watch till end. Just do like and subscribe the channel. If you want PDF, just comment PDF. Let's start one by one. Electrostatic potential and capacitance. 1. Electric potential. A. Potential due to a conducting sphere of radius r with charge q, solid or hollow, at a distance r from the center. 1. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r, if r greater than capital R. 2. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by capital R, if r is equal to capital R. B. Relation between electric field potential. Mod of vector E is equal to modulus of minus dou V by dou L is equal to plus dou V by dou L. 2. Electric dipole potential. A. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into bracket P cos theta by r square. B. Potential energy of a dipole in an external electric field. U theta is equal to minus P E. 3. Capacitors. Capacitance of a potential plate capacitor. C is equal to epsilon naught into A by D. 4. Electric field energy. A. U is equal to 1 by 2 Q, V is equal to Q square by 2 C is equal to 1 by 2 C V square. B. Energy density of energy stored in electric field. U is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square. 5. Combination of capacitors. A. When capacitors are combined in series. 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus so on. B. When capacitors are connected in parallel. C is equal to C1 plus, C2 plus, C3 plus, so on. C. Capacitance of spherical capacitor. 1. When outer shell is earthed. C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into AB by B minus A. 2. When inner shell is earthed. C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into B square by B minus A. 3. For a sphere of radius r. C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r. D. Cylindrical capacitor. C is equal to 2 pi epsilon naught L by Ln of B by A. 6. Dielectrics. A. Induced charge. Q dash is equal to Q into bracket 1 minus 1 by K. B. Polarization. P is equal to dipole moment by volume. C. Electric dipole moment is. P is equal to Kshay E into E. Kshay E by epsilon naught is equal to K minus 1. Where Kshay E is electrical susceptibility and K is dielectric constant. Next move into current electricity. 1. Resistance of a uniform conductor of length L, area of cross-section A and resistivity along its length. R is equal to ρ into L by A. 2. Current density. J is equal to dI by ds. 3. Conductance. G is equal to 1 by R. 4. Drift velocity. Vd is equal to E into E by M into T is equal to I by NEA. 5. Current. I is equal to N E A Vd. 6. Resistivity. Rho is equal to M by N E square T is equal to 1 by sigma. 7. According to Ohm's law, J is equal to sigma E and V is equal to I R. 8. Mobility of free electrons. Mu is equal to Vd by E. 9. Sigma is equal to N E mu. 10. Thermal resistivity of material. Rho T is equal to rho naught 1 plus alpha into bracket T minus T naught. 11. Potential difference across a cell during discharging. V is equal to epsilon minus IR is equal to epsilon R by R plus R. 12. Potential difference across a cell during charging. V is equal to epsilon plus IR. 13. For N cells in series across load R, current through load, I is equal to N epsilon by R plus NT. 14. For N identical cells in parallel across load R, current through load, I is equal to N epsilon by NR plus R. 15. Wheatstone bridge network for balanced Wheatstone bridge. R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. 16. If unknown resistance X is in the left gap, known resistance R is in the right gap of meter bridge and balancing length from left end is L, then X is equal to RL by 100 minus L. 17. Potentiometer. 1. Comparison of EMF. Epsilon 1 by epsilon 2 is equal to L1 by L2. 2. Internal resistance of cell. R is equal to L1 by L2 minus 1 into R. This ends chapter 2 and 3 formulas. Share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates.